About a year and 2 months ago, I was awarded SSI because of lower back problems and other things. And I have not received a paycheck this whole year because my mother passed away and left me some property and some money.
Okay. Earl, are you wondering what you're supposed to do with the property and the money that you were left, or what's the issue? Because I understand if you're not getting a paycheck, maybe there's some financial hardship going on there. Is there a question about what to do with the property or money that you were given?
Yes, sir. We got the house sold already. Paperwork should be done this week, and I just thought that I would.
Okay, so Earl, when you said your SSI check, what that is that's it's called supplemental security income. It's different from your disability payment, which is SSDI. SSI payments are basically payments based on a financial need, and there are limitations on what you're allowed to have in your bank account if you are receiving SSI checks. I'm not exactly positive what the amount is. I don't do Social Security law. We always try to direct folks to people that handle that type of work if it's something we don't do. But I do know, because I've had clients in the past that would get an SSI benefit, and if we would resolve their case, they would get a sum of money, and that money, once put in their bank account, would automatically disqualify them from receiving future SSI checks, and that would stay the case until their income and their really the amount of money in their account was whittled back down to below what the threshold is. I want to think it's like $2,500 or $3,000. It's not a tremendous amount of money, but if you have more than that in your account, that can affect your SSI check until those assets are gone, because it's based on financial need versus being based on the disability itself. So if you're not getting a check, my guess is that's probably what's going on. But again, I would recommend you talk to an attorney that works with in Social Security claims. And you might also, I talked to a caller earlier tonight, talk to a financial planner to see if there's ways that you could structure around some of those assets, or if they can maybe be placed in some sort of a protective vehicle like a trust that might not affect your income, to where you could still get those checks. But a lot of it's going to, that would be an area of expertise. I would refer you out for something like that. But it sounds to me like that's what's affecting your check.